All right, what's going on, folks? We've got the Sony TCM-5000EV right here, missing a battery cover. I'm doing a little bit extended YouTube version on this because I want to let you know what I tested and what I didn't test. One, I didn't test the voice operated recording option. I don't have a mic to do that, and I don't really have the things to do to really test that completely. It does work, I know that, so I don't know why that would not work, that aspect would not work, but I believe you need a mic to actually run that. And there is mic inputs on this. There is a VU meter. There's a battery check light, which I don't know what that does because I got batteries in here, but I don't know where that light comes on. I don't know if that's on the VU meter itself. Sorry, I'm out of the camera here. You've got a couple different volume knobs here. You have your, we've got mic 2 level, so that's here. And then you have your, I should get out of the, there we go. There's that. It's like focusing on my hand. And then there's that knob that does your main volume. You've got different recording modes here. It's like looking at my finger. Monitor source. You've got your tone right here. Speed control as well. Struggling here with the focus. Let's see, that's the reset, so I just did that. We've got Top Gun and the tape. Can't play it long, you know how it goes, copyright claim, or we'll just run it, whatever. On the sides, you've got line in, you've got a microphone, and you've got a headset port, so you could do something that has all three. On the back, you don't have anything with the model number. And I don't know if this is like tripod mountable. It looks like it, tripod mountable. Okay, there you go, there's that. And then of course we're missing the battery cover, so that's, you know, you're gonna have to deal with that. So it will be discounted, obviously. Let's pull this back out and see if there's anything on this side. Oh yeah, we have a DC in, which we don't have that, but I'm sure you could get one. It's a 6 volt, it looks like. There we go. Made in Japan. Here is the leather cover. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so we can see that. Leather cover right here. It's got some schmutz on it right there. I don't know if that was like a, I don't know what that was, price sticker or something. I don't know, of some sort. It's got a little flap for your eject to access your tape. It's probably should have a strap. There's your, that goes into your tripod. There you go. So that screws into that. On the bottom, like I showed you. And yeah, that's that. There's some holes here for straps. You got a strap for it. So we'll put this up in store. I think these are going for around 300 if they're working, so we'll probably put it up for like 200, 250 or so, given the condition that it's in, and given that there's some untested features on it. So, but hey, let's get it going here, and then that way you guys can see it working. I'm just gonna set it up like this. Let's see if I got something. If I have it here. There we go. How's that? So let's just go ahead and hit the play button on it. My thing is just trying to free range. There we go. Let's get that over here. My tripod. My piece of crap. We got Top Gun in here. Let's go. Well, we gotta get the sound. I think we're actually at the end of the rope. So here's the eject, that pops that up. And it doesn't, let's say it's broken, so it doesn't like actually pop the tape out. There we go. Let's flip that over. What's happening here? Of course, for my eBay video, it worked, and then for this video, it's not. I don't know if this is the reason. Let's get this out of here. It's not going as planned. All right, let's find out what you're doing. What's going on over here, buddy? There we go. Probably gonna need some new belts. Definitely gonna need a new belt. Oh, there we go. There's the battery check. So when I push that, you see the battery goes up. There's a little battery underneath there. There's the tone. There's the speed control. All right, that's that. Obviously gonna need some work. Maybe we'll put this up for parts and repair. And at least you guys see it and you see like firsthand, I'm not hiding any of the condition on it. We'll probably just put it up for parts and then y'all can go and put new belts on it and everything else. And you can see that it works. But you can see that it actually works.